Okay guys, so here's this new fuel pump I just put in that I bought from Orielys by Precision, and I am making a labor claim on them because I put this pump in and it's dead. And the problem is the plug is bad. The pump itself works, but the wire, somewhere in the wiring is bad. Now as you can see, this is their pump, brand new pump. Here's the plug. I've ground in the plug. And here's the harness. I'm going to apply power with my probe. See the red light? Nothing. Nothing. The other side. Nothing. Nothing. If I go directly to the pump, something magical happens. I'm going right here directly to the pump. And I'm going to touch the other side with the power probe. Look at that. When I put this in, it did not work because there's a short somewhere in this plug wiring. I want my labor claim for this. Just to show you that I did this right, I'm a master mechanic, licensed in the state of Florida. And here is this harness. And this will be on social media too, just in case they decide they want to jerk me out my labor for this. 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock at night. I finished this at 4 o'clock and I had to take this thing back down. I am not happy. So here's the ground. Now watch this. Now this is my, sorry guys. Now this here, sorry guys about that. This here is my old pump. The old pump worked, it was just the PSI was bad. Now look at this. Right in my plug. You guys hear that? That is this old pump. Here's the new pump. All right. Here's the harness. I want them to see that this is the old pump. The old pump worked. Now here we go. You see the pump moving? So my original pump was good, it just was weak. Well, the customer's pump. Now, we're going to go back to the old pump, the new pump, rather, supposed to be new. We're grounded, again, like so. I'm going to apply power here. Let's keep these in the camera. I'm going to apply power here. Let's watch. Nothing. Either side. But if I go directly to the pump, even from the ground, and it's a ground problem from this somewhere in here, because even if I do it from here, I still get nothing. Nothing on either side of these contacts. Nothing. Nothing. How I know it's a ground problem, because if I ground the pump directly at the terminal, if I ground the pump at the terminal, it works. Look at that. So there's a ground problem to begin with. And I don't know how they wire this thing up or whatever, but apparently it was a manufacturer problem.